All right, everyone, gather round. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going on a culinary adventure to explore some everyday ingredients that are anything but ordinary. We're talking about those hidden gems tucked away in your pantry or hiding in plain sight at the supermarket. Get ready to unlock a whole new level of flavour and nutrition because we're diving deep into the wonderful world of nutmeg, cabbage, carrot, cashew and garlic. You know, those ingredients you might walk past without a second thought. We're going to change that today. We're going to explore their incredible health benefits, discover where they come from, and learn how to use them to create delicious dishes that'll make you feel amazing. So, whether you're a seasoned foodie or just starting out in the kitchen, get ready for some serious food inspiration. Let's get stuck in and uncover the power of these fantastic ingredients together. Trust me, your taste buds and your body will thank you for it. First up, let's talk nutmeg. This little seed, yeah, you heard right, it's a seed, not a nut, packs a serious flavour punch. It's warm, a bit sweet and incredibly aromatic. You'll find it in everything from sweet treats like cakes and custards to savoury dishes, like creamy sauces and stews. But nutmeg's story goes way beyond just flavour. This spice has a history as rich and complex as its taste. For centuries, nutmeg was traded across continents, prized for its flavour and medicinal properties. It was like the gold dust of the spice world, literally. Imagine sailing across treacherous seas, braving storms and pirates, all for a handful of these precious seeds. That's how valuable nutmeg was. And you know what? It's still worth its weight in gold when it comes to adding depth and warmth to your cooking. So, next time you grate a bit of nutmeg into your dish, take a moment to appreciate its incredible journey. It's a true testament to the power of flavour and the lengths we'll go to for a taste of something special. Now, let's talk about why nutmeg deserves a prime spot in your pantry. This little seed is like a tiny treasure chest of goodness, packed with antioxidants, vitamins and minerals that do wonders for your body. We're talking about boosting your brain power, giving your digestion a helping hand, and even fighting off those nasty free radicals that can cause damage. It's like having a little superhero in your spice rack. And the best part is, you only need a pinch or two to reap the benefits. A little goes a long way with nutmeg, adding a burst of flavour and a whole lot of goodness to your dishes. So don't be shy with this spice. Sprinkle it on your morning porridge, stir it into your soups and stews, or grate some over your favourite roasted vegetables. Your body will thank you for it. Whoa, hold up. We're just getting to the good stuff. But before we dive deeper, take a quick second to smash that like button if you're enjoying the ride so far. It helps more than you know, and it keeps my creative engines running at full throttle. Now, where were we? Oh yeah. Now let's get cooking. Nutmeg is incredibly versatile. You can use it in sweet and savoury dishes, adding a warm, comforting flavour that's simply irresistible. One of my favourite ways to use nutmeg is in a creamy bechamel sauce. The nutmeg adds a subtle sweetness and complexity that pairs perfectly with cheesy pasta bakes or creamy vegetable gratins. And don't even get me started on nutmeg in desserts. It's the secret ingredient that takes apple pies, rice puddings, and crumbles to a whole new level of deliciousness. But don't be afraid to experiment. Try adding a pinch of nutmeg to your next batch of roasted vegetables, sprinkle some on your morning coffee, or even add a dash to your smoothie for an unexpected flavour twist. All right, let's move on to another superstar of the vegetable world, the humble cabbage. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Cabbage, isn't that just for coleslaw and sauerkraut? And while those are both delicious, trust me, cabbage is capable of so much more. This leafy green powerhouse is packed with vitamins, minerals and fibre, making it a nutritional powerhouse that deserves a place on your plate. From stir-fries to soups, salads to stews, cabbage is incredibly versatile and can be used in countless ways. And the best part is, it's super affordable and readily available. making it a budget-friendly way to add more goodness to your diet. So let's ditch the idea that cabbage is boring and explore the incredible culinary possibilities this versatile vegetable has to offer. Now, let's talk about why cabbage deserves a standing ovation in the nutrition department. This leafy green is like a multivitamin in disguise, bursting with vitamins C and K, both essential for keeping your bones strong and your immune system in tip-top shape. And that's not all. Cabbage is also a fantastic source of fibre, which is essential for a healthy gut and can help keep you feeling fuller for longer. Plus, it's packed with antioxidants that help fight off those pesky free radicals that can cause damage to your cells. So, whether you're enjoying it raw in a salad, fermented in kimchi, or roasted to perfection, cabbage is a nutritional powerhouse that deserves a regular spot on your menu. Now let's talk about how to make cabbage the star of your next meal. One of my all-time favourite ways to enjoy cabbage is to simply shred it finely and toss it with a simple vinaigrette. You can add all sorts of goodies to your slaw, like grated carrots, chopped apples, toasted nuts, or even dried cranberries for a bit of sweetness. It's a refreshing and crunchy side dish that's perfect for summer barbecues or light lunches. But don't be afraid to get creative. Try roasting wedges of cabbage with a drizzle of olive oil and your favourite herbs and spices until tender and slightly caramelised. Or, for a hearty and comforting meal, add shredded cabbage to soups and stews for added texture and flavour. Trust me, once you start experimenting with cabbage, you'll be amazed at how versatile and delicious it can be. Alright, let's talk carrots. These vibrant orange beauties are a staple in kitchens across the globe, and for good reason. They're packed with goodness, from vitamins and minerals to antioxidants, making them a true nutritional powerhouse. And don't be fooled by their humble appearance. Carrots have been enjoyed for centuries, adding a touch of sweetness and earthiness to countless dishes. From savoury stews to sweet cakes, they bring a unique depth of flavour to every bite. Now, you might already know that carrots are good for your eyes, and it's true. They're loaded with beta-carotene, which our bodies convert to vitamin A, essential for maintaining good vision. But the benefits don't stop there. Carrots are also a fantastic source of fibre, which is crucial for a healthy digestive system. Plus, they're packed with antioxidants, which help protect our cells from damage and boost our overall health. So, adding carrots to your diet is a no-brainer. One of the things I love most about carrots is their versatility. You can enjoy them raw, roasted, steamed, juiced. The possibilities are endless. They add a fantastic crunch to salads, a lovely sweetness to soups, and a vibrant colour to any dish. And speaking of dishes, carrots are true global citizens. From the bustling streets of Beijing to the sun-drenched fields of California, carrots are grown and enjoyed in countless culinary traditions around the world. Think of a classic Moroccan tagine, where carrots mingle with warming spices and tender lamb, or a comforting bowl of American chicken noodle soup, where carrots add a touch of sweetness and colour. And let's not forget about carrot cake. This beloved dessert, enjoyed in various forms across the globe, showcases the carrot's natural sweetness and ability to transform into a delectable treat. Now, when it comes to choosing carrots, look for firm, smooth ones with a vibrant orange colour. And don't toss those leafy green tops. They're packed with flavour and nutrients too. Give them a try finely chopped in salads or as a tasty pesto. Remember, a little heat can work wonders with carrots. Roasting them brings out their natural sweetness, creating a tender, caramelised treat. Simply toss them with a drizzle of olive oil, a sprinkle of salt and pepper, and roast until tender. Whether you're enjoying them raw, roasted, or blended into a smoothie, carrots are a delicious and nutritious addition to any diet. So get creative in the kitchen and discover the endless possibilities of this humble yet mighty root. All right, esteemed viewers, we're about to uncover something mind-blowing. But first, if you haven't already, why not share this video with a friend who'd love this content? It's like giving them a ticket to an awesome adventure. Plus, it'll make you look cool. Win-win, right? Okay, brace yourselves for what's coming next. Right, let's talk cashews. These beauties are more than just a tasty snack. They're like little nutritional powerhouses. Packed with good fats, protein, and a whole bunch of vitamins and minerals, they're brilliant for a healthy heart, strong bones, and even help with weight management. Who knew, right? Now, I love me a good curry, and cashews are a game changer. Soak them overnight, blitz them up, and you've got the creamiest, dreamiest cashew cream. It's wicked in curries, makes a cracking pasta sauce, and honestly, you wouldn't believe it's not dairy. And the best part? Making your own cashew cream means you know exactly what's going in it. No nasty additives, no preservatives, just pure natural goodness. Plus, it's a great way to sneak in some extra nutrients, so ditch the shop-bought stuff and give this a go. Trust me, your taste buds and your body will thank you for it. Now, I'm not saying you should be replacing every snack with cashews, but a handful here and there can do wonders. They're packed with fibre, which keeps you feeling fuller for longer, and they're a good source of plant-based protein, which is great for building and repairing tissues. Plus, the healthy fats in cashews are important for brain function and can even help regulate your mood. So next time you're feeling peckish, reach for a handful of cashews instead of that chocolate bar. You'll be giving your body the good stuff it deserves. But remember, moderation is key, folks. Even though they're healthy fats, too much of a good thing can still tip the scales. So enjoy them as part of a balanced diet. And don't be afraid to get creative. Roast them with a bit of chili and lime for a fiery kick, or toss them into your salads for a satisfying crunch. Speaking of getting creative, have you ever tried making your own cashew butter? It's dead easy, I promise. Just chuck some cashews in a food processor and blitz them until smooth and creamy. You can add a pinch of salt or a drizzle of honey if you fancy, but honestly it's delicious on its own. Spread it on toast, dollop it on porridge, or use it as a dip for fruit. The possibilities are endless. Plus, making your own nut butter means you can avoid all those added sugars and oils that you find in the shop-bought stuff. It's a great way to get those healthy fats and protein into your diet, and it's a fun activity to do with the kids too. Just make sure they don't eat all the cashews before you get a chance to blend them. So there you have it, cashews, a small but mighty nut with a whole lot to offer. Get creative in the kitchen and see what you can whip up. Now, who doesn't love a bit of garlic? It's the backbone of so many delicious dishes, adding that unmistakable savoury depth that just makes everything taste better. But did you know this little bulb is more than just a flavour powerhouse? Garlic's been used for centuries for its medicinal properties, and for good reason. It's packed with a compound called allicin, which is a powerful antioxidant with antibacterial and antiviral properties. We're talking immune-boosting, blood pressure-lowering goodness here. That's right. Garlic's been linked to reducing the risk of heart disease, certain cancers, and even the common cold. So next time you're chopping up garlic, remember, you're not just adding flavour, you're adding a whole lot of health benefits too. Now, garlic's one of those magical ingredients that's pretty much available year-round, which is brilliant. And growing your own is easier than you think. Just pop a few cloves in the ground in autumn, and come spring, you'll have your own little garlic forest. But whether you're growing your own or grabbing a bulb from the shops, always go for plump, firm cloves with papery skin. That's how you know you're getting the freshest, most flavourful garlic, and don't be shy with it. A little garlic goes a long way in terms of flavour, but when it comes to health benefits, don't hold back. Roast it, fry it, mince it, add it to sauces, soups, stews, you name it. Just be prepared for a little garlic breath afterwards. But hey, I always say a little garlic breath is a small price to pay for good health and delicious food. Now here's a little chef's secret for you. Crushing your garlic releases more of that magical allicin, which means even more flavour and health benefits. A good whack with the flat of your knife does the trick, or use a garlic press if you've got one. And if you're worried about those garlicky fingers, rubbing your hands on stainless steel afterwards actually neutralises the smell. Give it a go, it really works. But remember folks, How you cook garlic makes a difference too. Overcooked garlic can become bitter, so add it towards the end of cooking for the best flavour. Or try roasting whole cloves alongside your veggies for a sweet, mellow flavour that's absolutely divine. So there you have it, garlic, the stinking rose that's good for your taste buds and your body. Get cooking with this kitchen hero and unlock its hidden powers. Well, there you have it. From nutmeg's warm embrace to garlic's pungent punch, we've explored 5 incredible ingredients that pack a real nutritional punch. Remember, cooking with fresh, wholesome ingredients doesn't have to be complicated. Get in the kitchen, have a laugh, and don't be afraid to experiment. These ingredients are versatile, affordable, and readily available, so you've got no excuse not to give them a go. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming up next. Your support means the world to me and helps keep this channel growing. So until next time, stay curious, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video.